So today we are opening the Clone Trooper and Droid Battle Pack.
It has 215 pieces. It comes with a Clone Shock Trooper, Clone Troopers, 3 of them, 2 Battle Droids, 3 Super Battle Droids,
and a tripod droid.
We got this from the mall today. It came out today.
We had to wait in line
yeah.
and get a little ticket because it wasn't even on the
Shelves.
rack.
We're talking VIP Star Wars here today.
Okay.
How much was it?
$30. $32 plus because tax. So
Bag 2.
Bag 2.
Bag number 3 and bag number 1.
And then it comes with 2 instructions.
You
Yeah.
got the instructions for the tripod and the instructions for the rest of it.
This is lame. It used to be cool. It's now just blank and stuff. Okay, so should we start on this one or this one?
Looks like this bag has all the clone troopers.
Why don't you start with bag 1? That's the one.
Make the characters so you can show them all.
Okay. But then we would have to open bag 3.
Ooh, I wouldn't do that.
It's
There
fine.
you go, man.
No, there it goes.
Like, seriously. Oh, wait.
It's right there underneath him.
Good.
Technical difficulties.
You got one more piece over there.
No,
I
don't.
don't
Well,
think.
while we're looking for pieces, here's one of the instruction books. I don't know if you guys know, but it's a choking hazard, so be careful. This one comes in
I
bag
think we're
number
good.
3.
Do you need the manual?
No, not for this. This is easy. So these are really cool. They haven't came out with these plane guys since like 2000. Was it 2010 when they made the
Pilots?
Yeah, the pilot of the.
Well, they just came out with the red LAAT gunship. and
Yeah.
That one has the pilots too.
No, the
So
plane.
it's been a hot minute.
No, the plane clone troopers. They haven't came out with those for a while.
Yeah, it's been a while.
That's right. You don't have it. We do.
It doesn't come with it.
So here are the clones.
Here's one with the suppressed rifle.
Blaster? What did you just say?
Suppressed.
Oh, that's suppressed. It's just an add-on on the rifle. Okay, give me the manual.
Hey, Tone. Can you go stand over there with Crazy Girl?
Okay, so this is the easiest part. So guys, today we put the what are these called
Come on,
again?
Grandma.
It's in your eye.
I like it there.
There's a
That's a grenade.
yeah, it's an electromagnetic grenade in
Thermal.
the
It's still there. Stop
it's
closing
Leave
no
it.
detonator
It's
in
in the
the
corner.
container.
It's fine. It's meant
It's
to be
like
there.
magic.
No.
Oops.
Oh, we have that. Okay, so let's see.
Oops.
Alright. Start off the
do
60.
that.
Oops.
I'll start gathering the next piece. So. Cough, cough,
This
cough.
piece too.
Oh, yeah.
Piece
No.
My turn.
I got like Clone Troopers, Star Wars The Clone Wars secret one. No, don't do that yet! Ariana, what are you doing?
Don't pull this stuff out. Just wait.
You can build the droids, but wait.
Just relax.
That might be the bag.
That was a very nice clip.
ASMR.
ASMR Lego.
There's good money in that industry.
Oh my gosh.
Interesting. I guess.
I
Typical
put it
to me.
on backwards.
Interesting. That's how was your day?
Shh, ASMR. What would you rate this Lego set? How many bricks?
Why am I waiting?
I'm giving it
Wait. What number? It's 35372.
That's how many bricks?
Yes.
35372.
215.
That's how many pieces, but that's not the set number.
I was saying the set number. I was joking.
I might be doing this
That's the
wrong.
set number.
That's what I said.
That's right. Someone that doesn't know what they're doing is putting it together. It's that easy.
I think the arms are on backwards.
I give it 9 out of 10 bricks.
I'm not even
I'm
using
bad
the
at these.
instructions. That's how good I'm. Oh, you can't see.
You're bad at this.
Ta-da!
Yeah. Wow, it's a droid. No.
Shoot it.
So how was your New Year's? I like how it warns you not to shoot people with it.
Ooh, I can make one of these.
Ow, jeez. A brick in my face. So where did the blasters go?
I put them on the reverse.
William!
Alright, ready?
Willie boy!
I don't know what these are called.
Oh no, wait, let me do those. I don't want you doing
There's
those.
another
No,
one.
those break really easily.
Didn't ask.
Oh, stop it. You're annoying. Like, I was going to do that, but okay.
Oh, yeah.
It doesn't matter how you put the arms on. Oh.
I don't get how they break easily.
Oh no, after a while they get like really like flimsy. I've broken like 5 of them. Not 5 of them, like 1 of them. No, like 2 of them.
I think I put the arms on wrong.
Man, this build goes by fast. William, I'm skipping your turn.
Doesn't that look wrong?
No? You look wrong, Ariana.
These are on the inside.
First Lego build of 2024.
After that, it is
Out
for
of
me.
a lot. Got a lot of sets.
Yeah. At the Lego store, they said they put
100. I think 100 plus new Legos just dropped today. A lot of small builds like this one.
I was wondering what that piece was.
Why is
What
somebody...
was the retail value?
He already
I
said
already said.
$32.
32?
No.
That's plus tax.
Yeah, that's with tax. So it's $30 without tax.
You said Florida, no tax?
Florida has tax.
Yeah. Oh, that's.
Why is one of the arms
Don't
in
tread on me.
Oh, I think those are the extra arms.
No, because he's missing one of the arms and it's in that bag.
Why did you start assembling bag tail?
Why did you ask?
Yeah.
Because I'm Angelo. Row. Row. Row.
His name is
Bobby.
Clone Shock Trooper.
That's just his.
That's right. Someone who has no clue what she's doing.
Look at the details.
Nope, not yours. No. This is really cool.
Yeah.
Alright, speeder one
You're missing
done.
that piece,
Ouch. We
this
don't need
piece.
these pieces.
Well, put them back in the back then.
Look, speeder one,
Yeah.
shoot.
Put them in the back.
Oh,
Oh, great. William just lost a piece to our
It
brand new
doesn't
set.
matter.
Whoa, dude.
Stop
I was trying to
shooting
shoot him
them.
at the super battle.
This one has a
Oh,
shooter
right there.
too.
Down the ones.
All right, now
Open bag.
I'm gonna make
here.
another super battle.
Wow,
drone.
and they shoot.
Yes, they do.
Again,
Can you please stop?
you have to be 7+ to play with this.
Ariana, I don't think you qualify. You're like 5, aren't you?
This is the speeder one. Shoots out of these side projectiles.
Dad, have you ever actually been in one of these videos?
Nope.
You know, like your face and stuff.
Nope.
They have to find out. They have to check out the other videos.
Watch to see Dad face reveal.
One chip challenge.
Oh yeah, that was one of them. Oh, and the
Super Battle
sauce.
Droid.
Why would we eat food, Dad? So
Oops.
He ate Carl's.
yeah,
I mean, Mr.
yeah,
Beast
yeah. I
cookie.
forgot that. I'm
It's not
stupid.
focusing.
I'm stupid. Me
He
stupid.
killed him. Why are you guys just letting them all fall?
Because
And their arms look different.
their arms are the same.
No, look.
Maybe it's because you put them
He has
on
gains.
One's lifting weights and one's not.
Yeah, I think it's supposed to be like this. I don't.
You don't know.
He's a
I'm gonna make
brawlholic
another-
super droid.
Super Battle Droid.
You pooper battle droid.
Listen to the click.
Get owned. You got owned because you're bad at 2-5.
Ooh, you have one of the arms. I can make a Battle Droid then.
Yes, yes you can. Those are the instructions that you didn't read.
That's right.
Ariana.
Girls don't read instructions too.
I never
Except for
said
your
that.
mom.
I read the instructions.
Ariana puts together IKEA furniture.
I haven't even struggled yet. I've been putting them all together.
We're so proud of you. The 4 pieces.
1, 2, 3. Get wrecked. Actually,
Oh.
4. I made this one too.
Actually, I put his head on, so you didn't. I did some.
He has 2 different arms.
Wait, just dump that.
Find this piece.
What?
Might need it over there. I'm assuming it was Ariana.
What?
I'm moving our pieces.
Yeah.
I didn't do anything.
Oh, this is a shield. So, yes, you know what you do. Okay, so. It's a really
Alright,
cool.
second Battle Droid. Oops. They also get something on their back, the Battle Droids.
Only one of them.
Oh no, that's not a shield.
Yes, it is.
Oh, it's a gun. One of them
he-
gets a
they
gun on
can
their back.
Be taken off for shields. Did you see the box? Did you see the cover art? Oh wait, where is it on the cover art?
See it right there.
Wait, what? I saw him. Yeah, look right here. You take it off and it's a shield.
Wait, I didn't see that.
For what?
Putting it right here.
You didn't know?
Special feature.
Yeah. Exclusive to this YouTube
Artillery
channel.
stand. Done.
That these can also be shields.
He's gonna do toe touches. 1.
Okay, clone troopers.
Behind the scenes.
Okay.
4.
Oh wait, what is it called? The pull-ups. 1,
Push-ups.
2. You can't do push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4.
His New Year's resolution.
Yeah. New Year's with clone. That's not. Haha, droid.
He gets a gun.
Yes, he does.
What's this one?
Is that? Didn't you just start doing these guns chrome?
Droids, I thought.
Some of the this guy. This guy's one of the.
Droids
Come
with the
join
lighter
me.
colored ones, yeah.
Yeah. Is that a new thing to like defer the weapons?
I think experience how they tell the
Be
difference.
boring. We have to fix it.
This is very entertaining, right, guys? Very. Wait.
What?
Oh,
Oh my gosh! I gotta go tell Becky.
It's on the opposite side.
Oh.
You have nobody driving. Run away, car. You wanna play with one?
If you want some more hot fire videos, subscribe. Smash that like button.
Maybe even eat the like button. Like button
Wait.
tastes like chicken.
Eat that one, Angelo. Say ah. Oh.
It's gone magically. I'm a certified nutrition.
If you want to see the end product of all of these, just skip probably a good 5 minutes of this video.
Not 5 minutes, more like 10 minutes.
Skip good 10 minutes of this. Skip 14 minutes of this video.
Watch it all.
Skip none. If you skip,
Make it to the end
I
to
will
find out
hunt you
results.
down. And then I'll give you a great big hug. Because you should be watching my videos.
Oh, this one needs a gun too.
No, he needs a potato.
I think you put it in. It's supposed to be sideways.
Wee!
Well, flip it down and let's that.
Yeah!
Wait.
Put a wing on it. Don't put William.
Here you
Put
go.
a wing on it.
Speeder number 3 down.
It's so,
And that's this book done.
oh, Ariana. This guy is supposed to take that off. Put that on.
What's the difference?
One's bent, one's straight.
What?
One
Look at
arm,
this arm, and then look at that arm.
Did I
There's
give
a
him the wrong arms?
Yes.
One's bent, one's straight. See?
No, you didn't give him the wrong arms. This guy needs these arms because he's holding on the.
Oh.
Feel the ride. Okay. Let's open bag 3.
Time to
Wait,
start.
what is this?
Big.
And this. It's
Droid
a,
runway.
This is the speeder, by the way.
Ooh.
this is a
Ah.
this is a stun rifle, I guess. I've decided.
Droid runway. Ooh. Ah.
Don't lose any pieces. What is this?
This is the runway.
Watch out.
Ooh. Ah.
We're gonna find out. Look at that.
Ooh.
Colorful.
Ah.
Colorful.
Why is it?
I
This is
don't
what
know
he looks
this
like.
is. Are you skipping my turns, William? Why?
It's taking too long.
I'm ready.
You can't build with him.
William's too.
He skips turns.
Yes. Like we were
What's the
building this.
mystery piece?
Come
for?
on.
I don't know. Oh wait.
It probably goes in something. You know, they say that, isn't it in Clone? Wait.
No.
Yeah, this is Clone Troopers. They all look the same.
Yeah. Because
They're clones,
No,
I
you-
know.
no, you don't know. Because you're a potato.
Who's your favorite clone?
Commander code.
Comment in
I
the
want to skip to
The
the, end. I
best-
want to know what the mystery piece
the
is.
best
comment
quote-
below which one's your favorite clone.
No one's gonna comment. Absolutely no one. Interesting, right?
Attack!
It sounds like we're getting invaded.
Oh, thank. I'm just blind as a bat.
Let me start doing this.
Hanju. I'm a what, Boba Fett. I'm the.
Oh, we didn't show this one. We might get invaded again. We have to be on standby.
No, these guys don't like them.
He might get invaded.
Oh,
Oh.
these guys. How?
The alien invaders.
Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Wait! I didn't
Oh,
do it.
we found what the mystery piece goes to.
Who goes on
It's the
the?
core.
I thought that. I was like wondering.
I told
Does
you it
that
goes
go
in the middle
in?
of something.
Wait. You gotta do this part.
Oh, they use this.
Oh.
This with the one of these.
I like the Barbie pink.
And he
I think
uses
it's like
this.
energy- It's an energy still, guys.
Now I'll put that one on.
Dooski.
And they go on this.
No. I'm supposed to.
No,
Yeah,
yeah,
I'm
you
supposed to
gotta
do
put that.
this, and then I'm supposed to do this. And no,
The
I'm
brain.
supposed to do this.
The brain of the droid.
The brain. This guy's like Megamind. Is this connected?
You get this guy.
It's Megamind, guys. It's Megamind.
Now we build it.
Hi guys, I'm Megamind.
ASMR has a lot of noises. Car alarms, Hulk's rage.
I'm building the set. Ooh. Man down! I wonder if they ever get each other mixed up.
Clones?
Yeah.
No.
That was,
Not all the clones are exactly the same.
that was honestly such a nerdy thing to say. Cringe, right?
Yeah, like actually.
You gotta show my set. Looks just like the box.
Eliana, not all clones are the same. No, it's not.
My set right here, look. I made it just
Separates
like
all
it.
The
opposite.
droid's not here. Haha. It's not like it.
I don't know if I can get them to stand. There we go.
And the droids are supposed to be holding that.
The gray piece, yeah.
But don't do
We have
that.
to repeat this part 3 times.
Oh my god.
Do this part. And we gotta build the other 3 legs.
How about you build the legs and I just eat potatoes with hash? Who hash?
Or Ma's potato salad.
Ooh, potato salad. That stuff is good.
salad.
Let's go to Lisa's recipe.
This is what they have so far.
Actually, we have this too, so. It's like an octopus. Octopi.
The noise you're hearing is another battle going on.
We're building these troops so we can send them into battle. This is the reinforcements.
Enjoy the ASMR.
Yeah, this is like 2-in-1 special. You get Legos and ASMR. Like, actually.
Who's your favorite character in Star Wars?
Obi-Wan Kenobi.
It's normally quiet at the park, but
Wax.
everybody's here today.
Who's your favorite character in Star Wars?
Wax.
Rex. Who's your favorite character in Star Wars?
I know, right?
Yoda.
Wait,
That's what
I
you
have to
said.
repeat this 3 times.
So we got an Obi-Wan fan,
Oh, wait.
a Rex fan, a
Oh, I
Yoda
have to
fan.
do
Who's your
this
favorite?
part. I'm stupid. I thought this
Kylo
went on
Ren.
I've
this.
just been building these 3 times.
Anakin.
It's supposed to do-
Another battle going on.
Who's your favorite?
R2D2.
That's the first one he thought of.
That's the only character he knows.
I would have
Name,
said dark.
name who that guy is on his shirt. That one. Who's that? Don't say anything. Shh. Who's that?
May the force be with you. Yoda.
Yes.
Yeah.
Who's the guy right? No, go down one. That. Who's that?
Luke.
No, that's Anakin. Who's the guy
That's Luke.
beside him?
Luke.
No, that's Obi-Wan.
Who's he?
Stormtrooper.
Who's the big blob on the bottom?
Jabba, yeah, but.
I can't tell you any of the guys on the left.
This guy?
Nope.
This guy.
That's your right.
Commander Cody.
Who's the guy in blue?
Blue? That's
Rex.
Captain One.
Rex and Cody.
Who the ghost?
Who's the guy in red on the box?
That's just a normal clone. That's a
Who's the
stock
guy in
clone.
orange?
That's a that's one of his Sokatanas. 332nd? No, it's not the 332nd. Is it the 332nd?
I don't think so. I'm not sure. I thought they were.
I think they're the 332nd. Aren't they?
That's something you're gonna have to
You can
do.
shoot,
And shield.
and then this one can shoot, I think, as well.
And this one can toot. It's really smelly. Please, trust me. It can toot. Oh, wait. They brought that back, that mechanic. That mechanic was so cool. It brought back the...
You just chucked the peas.
That's a clone trooper dying. You were saying ow?
Oh, you made him fall. Only 26 minutes in.
Actually,
Why'd you
Dead
quit?
serious.
William's
You
not letting.
told me to build the arms.
I did not tell you to do that.
We'll rewind the video. There.
I did.
Comment
You said,
down
why don't-
below.
You said, why don't
Did
you
William
build the arms? And
Say
I'll
that he
eat
can't
potatoes.
build it, or is Angelo lying? Comment down below.
You said, and I quote, why don't you build the legs and I'll eat potatoes?
Comment down below if my dad did a good job naming all the
I
characters.
did say that.
You did say that, see?
Oh, he's gonna sit.
He did say for me to
Oh, nope,
build
he
the
died.
legs.
Bleh.
No. Yes, I did. No, I did. Still comment down below, guys. Comment down below how fire this video is. I think this is the longest video ever. Another clone trooper dying.
Hiding.
Ew.
Nice set.
Hey, Dad. Hey, Dad.
Yeah, the clone trooper asking for help. No, I still
Put that down. I want to go.
join the dark side. There's a clone trooper asking for help.
Antonio has no idea what she's doing. Thanks for watching.
Oh, what? Oh, yeah.
You built it the wrong
Whose
way.
kid is that?
That's General Grievous getting ready to attack.
Jabba the
Oh,
Hutt. That's just a Wookiee in the back.
Yeah.
I am your
Give us a good Wookiee scream.